Welcome to this quick tutorial on creating high-quality flowcharts using Napkin AI. In just a minute, I'll show you how easy it is to design professional flowcharts for your projects. You can design flowcharts and other type of visuals for your presentations or documents. Currently, Napkin AI has launched the beta program, and their straighter and professional plan is free to use. You can start by pasting your own text or generate text using AI. Let's generate the text using AI and write the prompt. Our prompt is to generate a high-quality flowchart to program a microcontroller with all the intermediate steps starting from scratch and ending at downloading the program into the microcontroller's flash memory. Let's wait for the flowchart steps generation by Napkin AI. Now click on the Generate Visual and see the magic. Here you can choose from different styles, and the good thing is that you can edit the sketch and its text for any visual. You can see it has a lot of different styles to choose from. You can select and download any style of your choice. That's it. In just a few steps, you can create clean, polished flowcharts that help communicate your ideas clearly. Try it out, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick tips.